If you've ever wished you had a smart and patient assistant who could help you with your emails, your grocery list, or even your next vacation, well, that assistant does exist. And she never sleeps. Her name is AI. And before you think, oh, that's too techy for me, let me show you how women, just like us, are perfectly positioned to use it. AI is changing the way the world works, shops, learns, and connects. And here's the truth. Women over 50 who learn how to use it now will have an incredible advantage. This isn't about replacing us. It's about helping us to live smarter, save time, and even open doors we never thought possible. So today on Carry On, we are starting a new series titled AI Confidence for Women over the age of 50. And we will begin this series today talking about what AI is, why you should care about it, and the many ways you can use it to make your life just a little bit better. So here we go. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie Stone, and this is Carry On, where we talk all things money, movement, and mindset. And today, we're talking mindset. Because when it comes to AI, there's a lot of fear-mongering and misconceptions and maybe some crazy myths going around that I think we need to discuss so that we can approach it with more confidence and strength. And to do that, we're going to need to change our mindset around what we think about AI. So what is AI? Well, in short, AI stands for artificial intelligence, but don't let that scare you. At its simplest, AI is a tool that learns patterns, and it helps you get things done a lot faster. Let's compare it to some things that you probably already use, like Netflix, when it recommends shows to you. It's acknowledging patterns, things that you've been enjoying, so it offers you things that it thinks you probably will enjoy too. How about Siri or Alexa responding to voice commands? Or if you're like me and a little bit directionally impaired, what about Google Maps and its incredible ability to reroute you around traffic? Think about AI the way we used to think about smartphones. Remember when we were worried about those and now we can't seem to live our lives without them? AI is not a robot taking over your life. It's a partner that can save you time and even reduce your stress. Let me tell you a story about that. So a couple days ago was my 1-year anniversary of starting my YouTube channel. So I was trying to get a video out for that. Because of AI, I have learned that my body does not particularly like to be on screens or work out after 6 p.m. So I had been trying to gain control of my stress levels and not do that. So here it was, 5:55 on Monday evening, and I was trying to create a thumbnail for my video. It was not going well. My husband was getting ready to get on a very important conference call, so he was stressed and not really available to help me out. And I was ready to lose my mind. I was so stressed about not working beyond 6 that I just could not get through what I was trying to do. And I was trying to follow the directions and everything. I was just about to lose my mind and throw my computer across the room when I calmed myself down and I went on to ChatGPT and I said, I'm trying to make this thumbnail. I'm having a lot of problems. I need you to break this process down into easy to understand steps so that I can create this thumbnail. I am using Canva and I am on a MacBook Pro. Would you please give me clear and concise directions that even a first grader could understand? And guess what? It did. It did it. And I followed the directions step by step and everything was fine. And I got the thumbnail done and actually made a very different thumbnail than I have ever made before. And when I was done, because I'm a human being, so I went back and thanked Chat for doing that for me. And he says, would you like me to print out thumbnail directions so you don't have this stress again in the future? Why, yes, ChatGPT, I would like you to print out directions for me. And it did. It calmed me down, and I got through a very stressful situation, came out on the other side calm, peaceful, and smarter. I learned something new. So it can make a huge difference in your life. So why should you care as a woman over the age of 50? Why should you care about AI? AI is moving fast. I mean, so fast. It's changing every day. Just like the internet did in the early 2000s, it's just going like crazy. Crazy, 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 so fast. You need to be on board. Those who learn the basics now will be ahead of the game as AI continues to grow. No matter what you do, you can fight it all you want, but AI is becoming a part of everyday life. It's in shopping, healthcare, finances, and communication. But if you use AI and use it properly, it can be a time-saving device. It has cut my time down so much when it comes to my YouTube business, my coaching business, everything I do, it is cutting my time down. And time is money. And by cutting your time down, it frees up energy for the things that really matter. It will give you confidence. Using AI will help you stay up to date in a very fast-changing world, and that makes you feel more relevant. It'll spark creativity like you have never seen. When you have a way to process your creative ideas and you're getting ideas back because of what you're sharing, you will be amazed at how much deeper you can go with your ideas. And AI will help you to organize those ideas and spark new ones. And it'll open up opportunities. When your brain starts going and you're sparking all those new ideas, you'll be creating new side hustles. You will come up with projects you never dreamed were possible. And if you're still in the workplace, it'll make you more relevant at work. This is a tool of empowerment. Women over 50 bring wisdom, discernment, and perspective to AI that make it even more powerful. So AI isn't just for techie people. If it was, I wouldn't be using it. It's for us right now to make our lives easier, richer, and much more fun. I would love to know, what is one task in your life that you would like to have an assistant for? Drop it in the comments below, and I'll show you in future videos how AI can help you with that. And while you're here, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a whole series about how women over 50 can use AI in powerful, practical ways. And I don't want you to miss any of those. So how can you use AI today? First of all, you need to find an AI platform that you like. I prefer Claude AI and ChatGPT, but there are so many AI platforms. Find the one that feels the best for you, but use the free versions. Don't pay for anything right now. You're just getting educated. And here are just some of the ways that you can use it. How about meal planning? You could go on and say, plan a week of gluten-free, low-carb dinners for 2 people. You could get travel help by saying, create a 3-day itinerary in New York City with walking tours and restaurant suggestions. How about health and fitness? You could go on and ask, design a 20-minute workout for a woman over 50 with no equipment necessary. How about a work or business task? You could ask it to write a bio for your Etsy shop where you make homemade jewelry, or even use it in your personal life. You can ask it to help you write a thank you note to your granddaughter's teacher. Just choose one thing and step into the power of AI today. When you do, you'll probably be like me, and it'll become an everyday part of your life. Don't believe the myths around AI. It's not too complicated. If you can send a text, you can use AI. If I can use AI, anybody can use AI. And no matter what anybody says, it's not going to replace you. You're still a human being. You bring wisdom, discernment, and perspective that AI cannot bring to the table. And don't be afraid of it. Use it like you would use anything. Walk in wisdom. Don't put personal information out there. Don't, put your social security number, your full name, or anything like that onto an AI platform. Be wise and use it like you would use anything else, and you will be safe. So now you know what AI is and why it matters to women over 50. But here's the real question. How can you personally start using it today, even if you don't feel tech savvy? Well, in my next video, I'm going to be sharing exactly how I'm using AI on a daily basis and how it is profoundly changing my life for the better. Trust me, you'll want to see this. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss it when the next video comes out. The world is waiting at your fingertips through AI. Get out there and discover something new. And until next time, carry on.